Ever wonder what gives soul, rock, and jazz that unmistakable cry? Let's dive right into this explainer.
Think about the raw emotional power of your favorite blues or rock anthems. Where does it come from?
Well, as Marvin Gaye hinted, it's not just standard keys, it's actually a secret 6-note formula.
You just take the familiar 5-note minor pentatonic scale, right? And then you inject one crucial spicy note. That absolute magic ingredient? It's the diminished fifth. Yep, the legendary blue note. Also called the worried note, this flat 5 adds a delicious crunch and raw tension to your melodies.
Picture bending a guitar string right into that blue note. It captures that essential, emotional blues cry perfectly.
Jazz legends like Miles Davis or Clifford Brown use impeccable rhythm with these notes to tell sophisticated stories. This sound has massive roots, stretching from West Africa all the way to the 1960s British invasion.
Delta musicians actually fused European tunings with Hawaiian slide techniques, letting these blue notes interact with standard chords. See, authentic blue notes are microtonal. You don't just play them rigidly, you bend and slide into them. So it's really less of a rigid scale and way more of an emotional language of tension and release. Want to speak this emotive language yourself? Simply build it, feel it, use it, and finally, master it. So I'll leave you with this. Are you going to just play the notes or truly speak the language?